Today I'm going to watch some birds. Here in this place we have a lot of them with different colors like red ones, yellow ones, a lot of beautiful birds. So in order to watch them closer, we use a scope with mil dots. So I can measure the size of the bird and knowing the species I can like estimate the age of the bird and stuff. So let's go. For today I'm going to use this scope. Again, I'll explain, you may think I'm mad, but I will show you why I'm using again. It gives you a lot of advantage, like the way to hold the scope on your arm like this. It's kinda comfortable. And it's like in the line of your eye and stuff. It's not quite heavy, it's light, it's a 4.5mm gun. So I'll explain you how you can use this to observe the birds in a cooler way. So let's go. So this is the representation of a regular gun scope. Here we have these mil dots, these special dots here, and the distance between each of these mil dots gives you a field of view of about 1 milliradian. You see? And if we use like a priori known points, and we eventually know the distance between the scope and the bird, we can estimate the size of the bird, the actual size. So we put the bird here, and we can measure like how many dots the bird have, like this. If we know the bird has 3 dots, we can use the distance from the bird that we already know, the size of the bird in dots to estimate how many centimeters this bird has. And that's cool. We can estimate like if we know the species of the bird and the size, we can estimate like the age of the bird and stuff. Okay, it looked quite funny because despite of this setup with a sandbag, and again we're not of course going to kill the bird. We are just using the scope and then this way to hold near to the arm, and then we can measure with more precision the size of the bird in mil dots. This bird is also what we call here in Brazil maritaca. It's a green bird, like a small parrot. It's quite cool bird. See, it's bright and stuff. Let's just measure. I know that he's about 15 yards. And he has, he's about at 15 yards, 2.4 dots. It's quite big bird. Oh, let's see. He has this tail. It's a green tail. Oh, quite. What a cool bird, man. Oh man, there are some of others there. Oh. Cool, huh? So let's take a note of this size, dot size, and then we can move to the other one, and then we are going by the end to estimate the age of the birds. What we have over there is we call here canario. I don't know what's the name in English, but it's a small yellow bird. And it's maybe one of the most beautiful here. Actually, my favorite bird here is a red one that I also don't know the name. But you see, let's go into admire this canario and measure his size. He has a quite small size, so the error in mil dots measurement is quite big. So we have to have a quite good eye to be able to measure decimals of dots for this bird. And then so let's see. Whoa. Cool. Look at this. Wow. Oh, he has like a cool body, but special details his head. He has a really cool head. Whoa, look at this. This bird, he has really beautiful head. Oh man. Oh fuck!